Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on Shopify application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your email address on Shopify, firstly go ahead and launch open your Shopify application. The home page of Shopify application will appear on the screen. Click on My Store icon at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed option, click on your email address associated with the Shopify's account. On the next page, click on Manage Account option. Scroll all the way down and tap on Update option right next to your current email address. You will need to verify your password before changing your Shopify email address. Enter a password associated with your Shopify's account and tap on Next. Enter your new email address and tap on arrow icon at the bottom right corner of the page. A verification mail will be sent to your email address. Open a verification email sent by Shopify and tap on Verify Email option. Now log into your Shopify's account using your new email address and password associated with your Shopify's account, and that's how you'll be able to change your email address on your Shopify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.